Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Zelle for rent collection workflows step by step clearly. To authenticate with Zelle for rent collection workflows, first ensure you have a supported bank account. Open the Zelle app or access Zelle through your bank's online banking platform. If you're using the app, tap on the Sign Up button. Enter your email address or mobile number to create your account. Next, choose how you'd like to receive a verification code. You can select either email or SMS. Check your inbox or messages for the verification code. Enter the code into the app to verify your contact information. Once verified, you'll be prompted to link your bank account. Follow the on-screen instructions to provide your bank credentials. The app will securely connect to your bank for authentication. After linking your account, review the terms and conditions. Accept them to finalize your account setup. Once your account is set up, you can start sending and receiving payments. For rent collection, generate a request for payment within the app. Provide the tenant's email or mobile number for payment processing. Confirm the amount and send the request to your tenant. Inform your tenant to accept the payment request through their Zelle account. Both you and your tenant will receive notifications once the payment is completed. Regularly monitor your Zelle account for any incoming payments. Ensure your contact details remain accurate to facilitate seamless transactions. For ongoing rent collection, repeat the payment request process each billing cycle. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.